Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today also how to design a crankshaft in Solidworks software. We are watching the crankshaft who is designing Solidworks. If you're going to start, I'm requesting everybody. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm going to start. Part is selected, then OK. I'm taking the units mmgs. Then taking the plane, front plane is taken, normal, normal. Then go to the sketch and taking a center line, sketching a center line, again taking the center line in vertically draw, horizontally draw, button stick, okay. Now taking a circle, which is done it's here, and going here, center point arc is taken, one point is here, another point is creating here to here. Then okay. After that, I'm selecting this point, holding the control button and also a pass to this point. Then I'm taking this one is the horizontal. Okay. I'm going to the smart dimension and this one will be 72 millimeters dia and the distance from here to here taking the 44 and radius of this arc 80 millimeters. Okay. Then taking a line which is drawn from this point to this here and it will be the tangent. Right button click OK. Then going to the mirror, click here about mirror, then center line and OK. I'm going to the smart dimension and determine to this lines it will be 33 degree. OK, done. I'm going to the features extrude process selected. Now click on this portion. I'm taking this one is 15 millimeters thickness and blind. Okay. After that, click opposite position and go to the sketch. And I'm sketching a circle. Circle is drawing here, and the diameter is 54 millimeters. Okay. Go to the features extrude process. I'm extruded it's up to 46 millimeters. Then okay. Now I'm taking the opposite direction and go to the sketch. And I'm sketching a circle from this middle and the center. Then it will be taking the 72 millimeters dia. Go to the features and extrude process selected. And extrude is up to 38 millimeters. Then okay. So now done. After that, I'm going to the reference geometry and select the plane. Click on this face and another click on this face. So it's creating the middle one. Then okay. After that, I'm going to the mirror and click this body. It will be created now. See. Then okay. See. After that, I'm click here and hide this plane. Again, going to the plane. Click. One click surface and another click on this face. See. Now okay. Then going to the mirror and click full bodies and unmerge it. Then okay. Now see. After that, click here and hide it. Now I want to rotate this one, so I have to go insert, then features, and select the mobile copy. Then I am selecting the rotate, translate and rotate. So at first when you will go, then you will see this way, but I want to go to the translate and rotate. Going to the translate and rotate, then I am rotating it x-axis, it will be 180 degrees, and I am selecting this portion, so it will be rotated. I am selecting the first one again and watching in the features, mobile copy, then selecting this portion, it will be rotated, and it will be rotated 180 degree angles, 180 degree angles, then okay, then see. So after that I am going to the plane again, selecting this one and this one, okay, go to the mirror and selecting this one and this one also, then okay, now see, it's done. Click here and hide it. Take this portion and hide this. Now done. After that, I'm selecting this one and go to the sketch, and I'm taking a circle here and taking this diameter is 35 millimeters. Okay, go to the features, extrude boss is selected, and I'm taking this one is up to 80 millimeters. See, then again I'm selecting this one and sketch here, sketching two circle here, one circle, another circle. The outer circle diameter I'm taking this one is the 144 millimeters, and inner circle diameter 110 millimeters. Then okay. Then I'm selecting this inner circle and I'm going to take it construction line. Then creating a circle here, whose diameter is 10 mm. Okay. Then going to the linear pattern and circular pattern selected. Click on the circle, and I'm taking the number of circles is 8. Then okay. Then go to the feature, extrude boss is selected. It's extruded, but I want to take only 50 millimeters. So see. So the crankshaft is done, but it's separated. So I want to combine together. That's why I have to go insert, then features, and select the combine. Add is added, add is selected. Then click here, another click is here, another click is here, another click is here. Then it's combined together. So okay. Now the crankshaft is done. I think everybody got it how to sketch it. And I want to select the materials. Okay, I am taking the metals, still is selected. The polish still is taken. Okay, I want to take this color. See, the crankshaft is done. I think everybody got it how to sketch a crankshaft in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.